So this is a quick video. I just did an unboxing and now I want to talk to you about my air dry pots. Air dry clay pots. Okay, so I made these pots, right? And you guys asked me questions about them and I've told you if you cover them with acrylic paint, glossy paint, it should protect the clay. It should protect the clay and it should be able to do well with water. Well, this one, I want to say I watered it before and I had no problem. And then I watered a plant again, the plant that was in it again, and then the paint kind of bubbled and also kind of cracked. So that scared me, so I had to take everything out. And so this is a product that a lot of people are finding at the Dollar Tree, never wet. And it's a two-step product. You have one spray and then the second spray, and it's supposed to make it repel the water. So I removed whatever paint was kind of sticking out, but I tried not to touch it too much. And then I sprayed it. I gave it 2 coats of each spray, and then now I painted it again. But see, here's an example of, I just don't know which one's gonna do what. This pot, I water it and I have no issues. It's fine. It's not cracking, it's not peeling, the paint's not bubbling. So I just don't know which one's gonna respond to it and which one isn't. Same thing with this one. I watered this one and I watered it before, but for some reason this time around when I watered it, all the paint bubbled really badly. So same thing, I took everything out, removed all the paint because the paint was peeling off, and then smoothed the pot out, let it dry completely, and then I applied this. Guys, this is a great deal. You need to go to Dollar Tree, go to several of them if you have to. I know they have this now, and it's probably gonna fly off the shelf because if you look this up, it sells for more than $1. I think you find it for either $13 up to $20, and this is a really good product just to have in your home in case you need to make something waterproof. So I suggest you guys buy a few of these and you can use it for your clay. I'm using it for my clay, so hopefully this will make the pots better, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a pot from scratch, decorate it, and then spray this, and then I'm gonna see, you know, which pot is gonna hold better. But I wanted to quickly make this video just because I don't want Dollar Trees to run out of this and you guys don't get a chance. And I hope that everyone that was interested in making the air dry clay pots, that you are able to find this, because I want you guys to be able to be creative and make your own pots. And that's it, guys. I just want to update you guys really quick on that. Bye, guys.